Alright, what's up, y'all? So, I was clearly sleeping and my package got delivered. If you didn't know what I ordered a Nike ski mask. So, I'm gonna open it. The only reason I'm talking like this is because I just woke up. Alright. I opened it from the back already. It's a Nike ski. I gotta take my address off the box before I go throw it in the trash. I don't got no like scissors, so I'm gonna use a pencil. It's a little hard to do this. Alright, but let's get the Nike ski mask out. My ski. I got it, y'all. God damn it. Got it. This is the Nike ski. Let me go ahead and take this off. My hair is fried. Yes. By me sleeping with this on, my hair is fried. Oh, damn. I really got stopped. I don't got stopped sleeping. I was up a little bit early this morning, so I had to do something early this morning, so this is my PS4, by the way. Let's open it. Apparently it was $38, but I paid $21.21. I'm gonna give y'all a first peek. So it look like. Nike ski. Yeah, we got. I don't need it no more. Nike ski. I finally got a new Nike ski. I ain't gonna lie. Been waiting a whole ass decade to get a new one. The fact I've been waiting a whole decade for this is hokey good. Alright, so I got my Nike ski. So I got a new Nike ski. We're out. Peace.